last one na. No more.
So I got this from Be Happy Crafts. I will link the website below. This is a repositional glue stick according to the product description. Dries clear, non-toxic. This is 40 grams per stick. This is a repositional glue stick, archival safe for a variety of paper crafting projects and used with photos, cardstock, and stationery. It is a repositional glue stick, quick and easy to use. For repositional bonding, allow 60 seconds for the product to dry before applying materials together. To remove, start at one corner and gently pull away. For permanent bonding, immediately apply materials together. A permanent bond will form once glue has dried. Okay, so let's check this. Positional glue stick. Oh, it's like the normal all-purpose glue stick. It smells nasty. So let's test this out. Okay, so let's test this out. This is the one who keeps on falling because this is dirty already. So we'll just apply this. Let me just get something to cover to protect my table. Just putting this here. Okay, so let's apply this application. Then let us wait for 60 seconds. Okay, so that's 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Let's try this on some paper. Feels like a sticky note. We'll just check this for. So let me just try this with the force of gravity pulling it down. And here's a comparison in time lapse of how this performed, comparing the before and when I used the repositional glue stick. For our second problem, where we ran out of post-it note, so I've got this old memo pad from the 90s. And I just love collecting stationery. So now, let's put this to the test so that I can make this into a sticky note. So our dilemma earlier is that we don't have enough space to write our to-do list. So here, I think I'll just get one. So this is an ordinary memo pad. And then I'll just put some glue here for... I also found that you have to put a generous amount for it to work properly. Okay, so we just wait for 60 seconds. So to do... So now that's everything. And what's this here? Oh, it's thick. So next is this one. I don't like it below. I want it upward. I don't like it to put it like this. So just have to put this on top. Okay, so we just let that dry again. So set this like this. It's thick. And I think this stuck well also, except for this part. Maybe I'll just add more glue there. But so far, it held on compared to before. This worked with ordinary all-purpose glue compared to it. For the repositional bond and all-purpose glue, maybe it's just the same. So let's put this. And we wait for 60 seconds. Yeah, so you can do this once, but the stick is not the same as when you use the repositionable. Can you see it? Compared to this one, there's just no stick here. This one still has a little stick. I can feel the stick. So, but this one you can still use it. Yeah, it will stick, but it's not as sticky as this one. But you can still use this. Just that you cannot stick it to position it a lot of times. So, do I like this? I think I do. This can help revive my sticky notes, and I can make my own sticky notes just like this one. And I can revive all my old sticky notes, its stickiness. This one. Oh, this is the all-purpose glue stick. See, it's no longer sticking. Okay, so this is the repositional glue, and also this one. I can reposition it. There are no residues here. Yeah, I kinda like it. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.